Hello, and welcome to, well, week 3 of her coming over. Today is our makeup visit for the incident that happened last week. Frankly, I don't know why she's coming over again, because, we hung out until 7 o'clock, so, that's good enough. It's not like we only hung out for 3 hours or something. No, we had a pretty full day, and then all we really missed was dinner and twerk party, and then, well, after that I would have had shows, and we would have just chilled. But she insisted on coming over again, so here we are. Week 3, as well as our part 2 video to Get Off My Lawn, which I am calling Rainy Haze. Get off my lawn, Rainy Haze. Because, as you can see, today is a rainy day, and honestly it's one of the only times that we actually hung out while it was raining, because she never really comes over when it's raining. Today will be a chill day because I am just we'll just chill and have a good day today, and then she can finally get out, because 3 weeks in a row. 3 weeks! 3 weeks of her, my birthday, our anniversary, and now this makeup day. I am just ugh, I want to be free from this. But in any case, it's 12:30, and she will be here shortly, and that's when we will begin. So, and essentially, this is the 3rd week in a row I've had to put up with her, and it's first week, I clean, hello darling. 2nd week, wipe some stuff off, you're here again. 3rd week, I barely spray Febreze, and I'm just that'll be today. But anyway, when she gets here, we'll get started. Bye-bye. No. Excuse you? You dare
back.
Just let yourself in?
Indeed. For I have returned.
Why is she back again? Why
Because
are you here?
Dad ruined last week, so naturally I have to repeat with this week.
You were just here.
More to the point, nap time.
No, that is me today.
Oh, really?
This is going to be me all day today.
Alright, guess I'll go watch Property Brothers and steal all the Oreos.
I'm surprised she didn't start watching Property Brothers already, because it's actually on today. And normally it's not on because, they, whoever they are, do not let her watch Property Brothers on the weekends. But they didn't expect her to come over for a 3rd time this month. Well, in a month. Mood. But she's here again. This is the 3rd week in a row. Oh my god. Is this what it used to be like back in high school? When she came over every weekend?
Well, we hung out a lot, dear. The only difference was that we had the option of hanging at my house.
True.
Which made it nice, because at least it gave Mom an excuse to clean. It gave me an excuse
to be oh my god, a boy.
And yell at my mom for not letting me have my door open.
Right, we had to have the door open because, well, things. We had to behave back then.
I have a feeling if I did what I really wanted to do, Mother would kill us. What can I say? Dennis corrupted me. Normally I'd be here flipping like crazy. Oh. Yeah.
Oh dear. And
did I mention you're one of the best humans ever?
True, Property Brothers and All Dressed Chips and Oreo. She must be in heaven. True. But
not to mention, I can relax and actually get work done if I feel like working.
True.
Because the Wi-Fi isn't being hogged by a human or two doing that thing called gaming all bloody day.
Yeah.
You had a me!
And he currently has a you.
The we. Bitch.
Behold her owning more than 3 shirts.
Indeed. Oh dear. Why?
What happened? Oh dear. Yeah, we'll fix that.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh,
Okay.
I found her. Oh dear. Ah.
No, don't turn back
Oh, no.
around.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Damn you, centrifugal force!
Well, when one goes one way and the other one goes the other way, she seems to propel in the direction of whichever is heaviest. Boing, boing.
Wow!
Excuse you? What? Was that something that I should not have uttered?
No, I just needed to bend over and.
Ew, poor choice of words.
What the? What? Is she just spiraling out of control?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Down she goes. Oh dear. I can't get up.
Oh, blast. I suppose that means lunch is delegated to me.
Indeed.
Which makes me wonder, where the hell are we ordering in from?
This is the beginning of our chilliest day of all because we often chill, but today is ultra chill. Where am I?
Move over, you're on my side
No.
of the bed.
Sorry.
Then again, everything is your side.
Indeed.
And therefore, everything is my side, because what's mine is mine and what's yours is mine.
It's all her side, but also my side. Too bad she's not my better half.
Here's the
Here's the thing! Oh!
That's canonically impossible.
In the official manga, there was the love scene happened, and well, you know,
You never got to chapter 6.
I don't think I want to get to chapter 6 now. Yeah, that happened.
No.
Now, in the fan fiction, however, you haven't seen the fan fiction. Don't Google that because you don't want to see what people come up with. You literally Google it, and there's pictures of like you with Zach. Oh, so many people wanted that to happen.
Yeah, God no.
Yeah, right. Really? How many times have you picked that up and put it back down? Anyway, like, I'm ready for a nap.
Then go take a nap.
So Darling needs to just, like, disappear.
Go to bed. Well, I guess I can end the video then. Darling.
Darling, you're angling! Like when I fell over and it was just like boobs. And then it was like, and then she was like, oh! I'm like, I just keeled over. I cannot be responsible for my angling when I am dead.
Same.
Like, literally. She's like, die, and I just be like, and she's like, oh! Like I did it on purpose.
Alright, well, since he's going to take a nap and I have Property Brothers to watch for now,
We all have our
I
priorities.
suppose we will have to bid you all adieu for now. Farewell. Farewell from the man who happens to be asleep as hell. Help me. Bye.
And we are back-ish a few hours later. We've been watching The Property Brothers, and it's this episode again. Here she comes, baby cake. Here she comes, baby cake. Oh yay. It's 3 o'clock, and we're just kind of like, ugh, today. I'm a bit more active than at the beginning, but it seems woman has taken a turn for the worse. And now she will be nothing and just wither away into the abyss of nothingness. Darling, I fell over.
Oh god.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Not again. This reminds me of the time I fell in between.
What the?
Shit.
What?
Shit. Ah, thank you. Oh dear.
I actually...
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
What is
Why?
happening? This is literally a mood. The mood of today. I just feel like the woman does all the time. And now... husband number 1 has died. What? No! Oh no! I have become prey for the chicken. And now we have the Cheeky Beak Salon segment, where, for whatever reason, I'm getting my hair did rather violently. And it's a stabbing, violent scraping, like I'm being stabbed with a knife. But overall, I'd say it was a 4-star experience. I just wish they had hot towels. Darling can no longer be seen because of the chicken in the way. Which is perfectly acceptable, because, like, she's just on her phone. Like, she's been on her phone while Property Brothers is on, and I'm just like, what?
Darling, the fact is, it's the episode with the ugly guys, so...
Yeah.
Both of them at once.
Both of them at once! Moist! Because Shoelaces, my wife, is a cat. And here we have the vulture picking at my dead corpse. No, come back! Where are you going? And off she goes, waddling away. And oh no, now the darling is revealed. Not darling again. Oh good, she who is commonly referred to as wrist and hand. Because it's no longer the arm. And so, we arise-ish. There's a baby girl. Here she comes. And so we have darling. And I can't get up. Oh jeez. We must live so that I don't have to.
Then again, die to sleep. Sleep to dream.
This is a pretty big mood right now. Like, this is honestly how it is today. I don't know why it is that way today, but it is. Why is she back again? I'm just like ready to avocado. She's asleep.
Oh, that episode's still on. Sure.
I guess she doesn't know Property Brothers as well as she thinks she does, because the episodes are on for an hour. And, well, it's only been 15 minutes. She must be, like, drifting off into another dimension. Mood, though. Like, honestly, same. This is gonna be us today. Anyway, I suppose that darling... what? Darling, parentheses, the arm, in her natural state and habitat. Notice how one eye is, like, half open, and the other eye struggles to remain open. I suppose that since Darling is on her way out this afternoon, out of, well, consciousness, that is, that we shall go and Darling shall nap so that she doesn't nap later on. Now, we see if you can find the chicken in this mess. And no, I wasn't talking about the Darling, because yes, she is a chicken, but, you know, there's always a chicken hidden around here. And there she goes. No, there she goes. There goes. There it's happening. The glasses have been removed. Which is exactly what she does when the shows come on.
I did not.
She's like, I'm like, darling, the shows are on. And she's like, better take my glasses off for this. And this is literally what happens. Shows are on, let me take off what allows me to see. Yeah, I'm listening. So, farewell for now. Until later, when she reawakens.
Like right now, you're a blob. You're a blob.
She herself is a blob.
Excuse you?
She's asleep. She can't hear me.
Excuse you?
She must be talking to Robleski in leather pants.
You made me die.
Why? Because of this? Or when she said 13-year-old me in leather pants. Anyway.
Oh, Lord.
It's time for the woman to nap now, so we gonna say goodbye.
Fairly well. Nap time.
And she has died. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hello and welcome back. She woke up after an hour
twice.
Now it's
5:02.
5:02, and now she's awake-ish, kind of, sort of, maybe.
Give me like 5 minutes to fix my hair. Okay, there. Hi.
Give me 5 minutes to fix my hair. Okay, there, I fixed my hair. Now I can use the other 4 minutes to take a nap.
See, now you're catching up.
See? Look how much extra time she has now.
I live in a state of eternal death.
Mood! Don't have your wife sleep on a futon. What's wrong with you?
Well, it's not like a futon, like couch-ish.
Croutons.
You're supposed to be fully awake and conscious, and I don't want you rolling over into the goddess's stare.
Oh god. Oh god!
Trust me, it's a bad idea.
What's happening? You know, the rack of infinite wisdom. It's just not meant to be seen. This is how we force ourselves to not nap time, because the bed's over here, but the segment's... Oh crap! Oh crap! No, 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 no!
I make my move now. I can steal all the blue Sour Patch Kids.
I thought there was one left. I like how, like, we're doing a segment and all she cares about is blue Sour Patch Kids.
What?
Priorities.
I love them.
More than Bay.
Actually, sometimes, yeah. To anybody who ever gets me mad, if you want to reverse that effect,
Undo.
blue Sour Patch Kids or blue raspberry sour straws are
Mood.
like awesome.
Or like a lifesaver.
Yeah.
Oh, lifesavers.
Ooh.
I made her a sandwich. She can make me cheesecake.
I actually have a couple of really good recipes for it. It just depends on what kind you want.
All of them. Oh crap!
Eating them is how that happens. But they're good.
Now that I've fallen, I am he who is commonly referred to as the limb. She's the arm, I'm the limb.
For one, all I have to do is go back to my house. And I don't even need you humans. Because I can take a nap.
I don't think she's like with it.
Did I mention no? Because of no. Oh, hi.
Head goes here. Okay, now that she's gone, we're done with that. All done.
Why did I just inadvertently nap into a candle? Primary issue of whatever tiny woman segment might occur is that you drank one of my flavors.
Okay, let us be clear in saying that she had the opportunity to drink a new flavor, one that she has never drank before. In the 5 years that she's been coming over, she has never once drank another flavor outside of black cherry or the black raspberry. She's never drank any other flavor.
I could swear.
No, she never.
Flavors than that.
Because I'm like, here, have this one, and you're like, yeah. I need an Izzy. Also, this is what we like to drink. This is Izzy, but hers is the blackberry. And if you
wonderful.
dare touch her blackberry, Izzy, she will henceforth just obliterate you with every fiber of her being.
And I am the stubborn German.
Which she doesn't have anything to represent her. I'm just gonna shove her out
Yes,
right in my
I
head.
do, darling.
What?
Izzy problem. He says I drank too much Izzy.
Yeah,
Where the hell is my Izzy?
She got an Izzy problem.
I do not.
We sent her to therapy, but I don't think it's working.
Happy. Oh, what day is it again? I've been drinking so much Izzy over the past how many years. I've been drinking. Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. Happy everything. Like I am.
She has plenty of her by, and now we've said many times about her being off her rocker, but today it's going to become official.
And here I sit with my bye. Good stuff. Yeah, I don't know.
The other one was always apple or kiwi strawberry.
Apple was good though.
She wouldn't know because she never
I
had
could have
it.
sworn I'd had it.
Never once. Ever.
Unless if I'm thinking of having bought them on my own, which I could be.
Probably.
Because now that I think about it, they had them at school, and I'm like, okay, nope, I'm snatching up all of these. No. No, no, no.
Yeah, that's kind of how it goes. But yeah, she's always had one flavor. She never had any other ones. I tried to give her other ones and she's like, ew. Then today, for the very first time, she tried the kiwi strawberry. And she was like,
Isn't that bad?
oh! She has only had one flavor for like 5 years. And then that changed today. Whenever we get a new thing of Izzy, it would always be nice, and there you go. And then by the time she left,
All of the black raspberries.
there
were
would be
gone.
like 2 left out of the open package, and you had like 6 of the ones, and then they're all gone. And I'm like, really?
Ones are good too. I completely forgot. Damn it! Now I want them. Why are we talk show fighting about something like this?
You never had the one I want. I was trying to give you one of the other flavors, and you were not even doing anything. She caused problems. Now my hair all askew, so now she has to take the camera while I fix my hair.
Okay, how is it that I just napped for like 2.5 hours and my hair doesn't look awful?
I see
don't get
she's
it.
still dreaming a little bit, but yeah, okay.
So, Comfy Woman segment. I had what I can only call one of the weirdest dreams I've had in the relative decade and a half to 2 decades. Call it 2.
Why do I hear reclining and yawning?
You hear relaxation, dear.
And I dare disturb your woman segment?
Nap time. Except not nap time, just relaxation. I died again, you jerk.
Why did you die again, dear?
I literally can't move. I fell over. Yeah, pretty much.
One went one way, the other one went the other way.
To go that way.
And she happened to go kerflooey. And here we have the end result.
I am a university-educated physicist with research under my belt, and you have caught a behind-the-scenes glimpse of how I get on a weekend sometimes.
Right?
I'm tired.
And then they see her. What the?
I don't know what happened.
Broken!
That summarizes how life is going right now.
It's been a long time since the head popped off.
It also explains why Johnny Depp was in my dream. Because I
Oh, jeez.
couldn't tell that I was dreaming, but I was dreaming, and I'm like, why are you here?
Dreaming a dream, oh god. No, I was going in here for something, and I can't remember what. Now,
Something.
I guess
Go
I'll just
hide.
disappear.
Ah! Ow! Let me out!
I'm free! I have been released! I am the man, hello!
It's been 20 years.
Imagine that.
Okay, dude, you just made me feel old again. OOTP in game form. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oi.
What?
I need to stop wearing socks on this floor.
Yeah, because I make sure to polish it before she comes over. So she'll be like, woo!
Am I gonna have to be evil? No. No, you just gave me a brilliant idea though.
Are you never
Because I
not-
have a laptop that works with a better processor, and I'm curious as to whether or not HP 1 through 6 in game form would actually work, or they would like die. Because holy cow, graphics that didn't exist when we came out. I'll be right back.
And there she goes. She just has left the segment. Well, I suppose that now that she has gone, it is time for a man segment because we can. So, man segment for today on this rainy haze type of day, which is just like, I've been feeling, and like, I don't know why, but I've been just like tired and just want to like sprawl out on the bed and just chill and just be like, yes. It is like 5:30 and, you know, we're not really doing much today since this is a part 2 video and we shouldn't even be doing this in the first place because she shouldn't be back again. But she is, and I have to deal with that. Even though I had to make her a sandwich and, like, you know, give her drinks and blankets and she's napped. Notice the used candles because, like, she just uses everything, sucks it dry, and then I'm left with nothing. But anyway, man segment for rainy days because that's what today is, a rainy day. And one of the only times that we've hung out like on a rainy day, pretty much, because we usually schedule around the weather and such. But on rainy days, unfortunately you're stuck inside with the woman, which may kill you. So, to avoid this, get things like headphones and, you know, yo phone, you know, games, whatever you be doing, so that when she's like, hey babe, can we like, you know, make out? You can just be like, ... and go back to your Call of Duty. And then she'll be like, but I want to do stuff. And then you'll just be like, sorry, I have a disease that's called Don't Talk to Me. And then she'll just be like, but you just talk to me. And you'll be like, I know, and I'm dying. And then she'll be like, and then you just kind of like kick her out of your cabin because you're in a cabin. It was supposed to be a romantic weekend, but then you just like had enough of her and kicked her out. And that's pretty much how it goes on a rainy day in the woods in the cabin that you didn't want to be in because you wanted to be playing Call of Duty until 2:30. But then when she comes to kill you for kicking you out of her cabin that has her name on it, excuse you, this is a man segment, and unless you have that broken chromosome, I suggest you move elsewhere. I dare say you happen to possess bits, and therefore you should not be in this segment.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh dear. Hello and welcome back to like 8:15 and
Why are we still here?
yeah, why is she still here? Because honestly, she was gone by this time last week and like I just want her to go. And now it's time for the Her Show! Feet! The arm! Hi! Hello, how are we doing today? Now, let me talk about your latest movie that you've been starring in, and we're just gonna like totally talk about all this. Imagine a
Darling,
talk show like
it is
that.
much easier if you get back in the shot.
But I do not want to.
Then get out of my... Get out! Nine!
Then she proceeds to do the GIF.
9 rows! 9 rows!
I'll do the woman.
9!
In this segment, we do a bit of role reversal. So I can be like, and she can be like, yes. I just gotta pile on the pillows.
So you take the frog pillow and you put it over your face, and then you become one with the
And
pillows.
then you die.
No. You become one with the pillows. I am also...
Okay, don't kill
Oh
yourself
dear.
because
Oh dear. Well, okay, hang on.
and there she goes. Well, okay, now, this happened. Darling, she died. Live!
I swear, if you even...
Well, time to scrape her corpse off the floor. And, well, yeah, just get on with life, I guess.
Help!
Now, see, this is pretty ironic because this has been me literally all day. I've been rolling on the floor, but like...
Okay. Hang on.
Okay, here's her attempt.
Hang on.
Here we go.
Nope.
Oh, she failed.
No, not that way. Maybe this way.
Oh,
Nope.
oh, jeez. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay, so here we have the
I am stuck.
whatever this is segment. The dead woman
Okay.
has died.
Stage 1 complete. Stage 2 complete. Stage 3.
Back at square one.
Scheiße. Darling, I will kick your legs out from under you.
Now this is life. How?
Hey.
Without the weight of your legs on me, I can get up.
26.
21. 1, 2, 3. Security cameras be like,
Okay.
wow. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh
Well.
dear. Oh dear.
Hang on. This is easier to get out of than one thinks. Because one just goes like that. And one is sitting. And one goes like that. How on earth?
That was awful. The rolling on the floor segment that happens like every episode because, well, yeah. So it's the first time she's ever rolled on the floor in here, surprisingly.
I
Darling,
hate you, Floor.
are you out of control? Maybe I shouldn't polish the floor from now on. Hello, darling. Are you, angry? Quite.
Indeed.
Right.
Days like today are the reason I bought you.
Hey, that's supposed to be my candle.
Yes, but I bought it, dear.
Therefore, it's ours. Well, that was rather eventful.
Indeed.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope that doesn't happen again.
Oh, it will. 15 years, you know, it'll happen soon.
And hang on. I'm gonna get out of the shot to fix.
One went one way, the other one went the other way, and they went
no. It
fluey.
was worse than that.
Oh dear, one completely popped off. The other one rolled under the dresser, so now she has to dust it off. Yeah, it's much.
Why are there people lighting off firecrackers?
That's a bird.
Oh.
Wow!
Epic fail.
Chirp, chirp! Are those firecrackers? Which reminds me, it would be nice if we can find some time to hang out in July, because we still have those fireworks from last year that we didn't get to light because it was raining, remember?
Oh yeah.
And I want to get those out of my closet. And now after that's all done, I have returned to my post where I can just be like, yes. And we returned exactly how we started this video, with me like, and her over there.
Yep.
And this is what happens every single time.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much. Now, we have like 2 minutes before we have to start the work party at 8:30, because of course shows are at 9:30, so we can't do 9 o'clock. Yeah, this is pretty much our day, and like, it stopped raining at least. Woo! So, we'll go, because it's time for our night to begin, and we'll return a bit later for our family room segment, which will likely be the last one, because I don't plan to wake up tomorrow. Ever. In the words of her, you are so dead! For catching that on film.
Indeed.
But it's one of the things I'm happy with. These are the reasons we film, because stuff like that happens, and it's fun to watch years later.
This is the equivalent of whipping out an old home video back when we were itty bitty. And it's just like, why did you get that on video? Why did you let me do that?
Alright.
Okay.
End of rolling on the floor, what is she doing this time segment. And goodbye.
Fairly well.
Squish chicken.
Squish chicken!
But she has her own. Indeed. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to 1201. At the tail end of this very bizarre, lazy day of, like, me not knowing what the hell is going on all day.
No, I'm looking for games to theoretically buy. This is like,
She does that, like, you know, buying shoes. I might buy that sometime. That's cute, love that.
I'm gonna wait till that's on sale. God, you can just
Die.
ignore. You are getting wishlisted.
Oh my god, I'm wishlisted. She wants me. Shrew. So.
What is this portal? Ow!
Yeah, this is the tail end of our day of just kind of being very weird.
Just out of his door.
I have been out of it all day, and I still kind of am, but it's like, yeah, I don't know what's going on, but this was our third hangout in a row.
3 weeks. God.
And, like, I'm dying, and honestly, same. But, like, this is just terrible. But then she'll be gone for an extended period of time until maybe July sometime-ish. This has just been a lazy day. But it was quite enjoyable because we just, like, chilled and stuff. And ate cookies, and then looking things up on Steam, I played Pokemon Battle Revolution and felt hella old. And just, like,
Ooh, Tomb Raider.
chilled. Okay, she says I have to go back in time. Activate time portal. And then I come back and she ceased to exist, but there's some hot girl named Jessica, and she's from Italy. Which is also me, because that's totally me. I'm Jessica from Italy. You want a baguette? True.
Sweetie, that's French.
I'm making savings, making bank though, making savings.
On the one hand, I need more games. On the other hand, I never have time to play them. On the other hand, I wouldn't mind actually having time to play them. On the other hand, cash. Such is the life of trying to be me. And work gets in the way of literally everything. It's left for dead, for heaven's sake. Maybe. 9.
Oh my god, hello. It's me, Jessica from Italy.
9.
I had to do this at some point.
9.
Hey, it's me, Jessica from Italy.
9.
Like, how you doing?
9.
Folk. I'm Jessica from Italy. Oh my god, I think I finally, like, got the wig right. I'm Jessica from Italy, and, like, I just lure boys to my evil lair. Baguette or something? Wait, pizza. There we go. I just realized I don't know shit about Italy. And, like, I suppose that's okay, because, you know, I'm totally Jessica from Italy, but, like, yeah. So, pretty much, yeah. Darling, I mean, some chick I don't know is, like, doing Steam stuff, but, like, we tried to be, like, BFFs, but then, like, it wouldn't let me add her because I had to spend $5, which is bullshit!
Okay, you know what? Speaking of old school sites from when we were kids,
Oh no!
I just got on CartoonNetwork.com for the first time in about a decade, probably, right?
Darling, we literally had this discussion in the birthday special, where you went on CartoonNetwork.com, tried to play Cartoon Resort or something, and then it wasn't there, and you had a whole woman segment about how angry you were that it no longer existed, and you had to dig in the deep, deep net to find it. I'm a total dweeb, like, not even gonna lie, but, like, I'm just so looking for love, and, like, you should totally add me, because, like, I'm always traveling, but...
Actually,
She dares interrupt me? I'm so done with this right now. Like, I don't know what she's talking about.
did I mention fight me?
In any case... Want me to fight you? I will!
You're lucky you were on my left-hand side. Be careful, my ring packs a punch if I accidentally hit you too hard.
Oh, see, I knew which side the ring hand was on. I was challenging the ring hand, okay? That's how bad I was ready to throw down. Like, I knew it was on SI. And I was just ready to, like, brawl, because she was like, fight me. And, like,
Fight me, not fight.
and, like, Jessica from Italy don't take that shit. So, like... So, obviously, for our 15-year anniversary special, part 2, we had to bring out the Chelsie Wig from Halloween because, well, I was gonna bring it out last time, but, like, she left before I could, like, don my basic bitch. And I mean...
Speaking of that, isn't Starbucks closing
Yeah,
down?
I literally sent you that. Like, Starbucks is closing down, like, a ton of stores. And, like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We'll have to get coffee from not Starbucks. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? This is a crisis to blondes and basic bitches everywhere. And, like, honestly, mood. But, like, yeah, so... Okay, and welcome back.
Why do you keep calling me there?
Because I'm Jessica from Italy. TBH, like, she's totally being honest. I mean, that's what it means, totally being honest.
Grr.
Don't shake your head.
Grr.
Don't sigh at me. I have fully embraced being Jessica from Italy. Like, she looked me up on Steam, and that's who I came up as. So, I've become Jessica from Italy. Though I'm low-key Chelsie, but, like, don't tell anyone about that, okay? Like, just shut the fuck up. As we begin our final segment of the night, Darling is,
I'm doing stuff and things.
I don't know what the hell she's doing, but, like, she's doing important coding and stuff for, you know, her career and such. Totally doing that. Let this video show that she is a diligent worker, and she does all her stuff on time, and she never really does any nonsense. Please ignore the rolling on the floor segment from earlier, because that was a stunt woman. That wasn't her. Oh, but damn it. Who else would have those cans? That was a compliment!
Jealous because they're not yours, dear.
Shrill! Like, look at my boobs. They don't exist.
Barely an A cup. You know, that would beat you out.
Barely an A cup having ass. Next you're gonna tell me my eyebrows aren't on fleek. She's like FASA booking. Cause that's like her library of blackmail. Ew, what the hell? Some of these pictures, though, be like, oh my god, that's me. I mean, no, I'm Jessica from Italy. What? No, I don't know who this is. Yeah, I like how you're just like, red dress having ass.
No, that was before I got the dress. The dress.
Okay, that dude is like cute.
Big
Yes.
nose having ass.
Oh yeah, that was a shaved head ass. She was like,
Yes. I was half tempted to do that again, but no.
yeah, because whipping ain't it. Don't look at that. Skip. Delay.
Right.
But anyway, dear, I do believe that it's time to say goodbye to this video because it's like 5 minutes until next show. She's just like, bye!
But you see the rest of me.
She's like, bye-bye.
Also, I need to expose your fraud.
I'm Jessica from Italy, I swear. So, this has been our rainy day of chilling, and what the hell are we doing? We don't even know.
I have no clue.
Yeah, we honestly don't. Like, I was rolling on the floor so much, I honestly felt like I was her today because of how out of it I was, and then she napped. She forgot she was here. She rolled on the floor. And, like, we just had a good time. Now we're done for today, and we will be back hopefully in July. But if not, hopefully the fair. But she'll probably come back for Halloween when she can be zombie. So, I guess that is it for us tonight, and we will be going to watch shows and such. And then I will be knocking the hell out. Because it's about time I do. Because I've reached that point where I'm like, just because I'm so fucking tired. I'm like out of control. But like, yeah. So we will see you on the next episode, whenever that may be. And farewell. I'm Jessica from Italy, totally. Bye. What a basic bitch. She's a fraud. I'm not a fraud.
Your mom's a fraud.
I'm crushed. Hello and welcome back. I know that we already said that we were done, but I figured I'd do just like a little mini segment. So, this episode was really weird, and just this visit in general, because I was like out of it all day. Since it was raining, as you can hear, it's currently raining. Which is nice, because like, rain is nice. It's super chill. And like, it's been raining all day. It stopped here and there a little bit, but it's basically been raining all day. So we had a rainy day, Haze type video, and just chilled and watched Property Brothers, and I sprawled on the floor more than ever before. And we twerked. I played old games, and we just had a good day, and this was honestly a really fun day. Yeah, we don't know when she's gonna return because she has stuff to do in July. Hopefully we'll be able to hang out sometime in July. It doesn't have to be 4th of July. And we'll go from there because she is starting life stuff. So yeah, pretty much. We have to accept that. And soon we'll be done with all these. Yay. But in any case, after enduring shows until 2 a.m. when I've been tired since 11 a.m., I'm ready to knock out. So I'm gonna go do that now. And we'll just end this episode. And we'll see you on the next one. That'll come eventually. So, goodbye.